In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted slides in Google Slides using its version history feature. Now, we all know how crucial it can be to restore a slide you accidentally deleted or to retrace your steps for a presentation. Fortunately, Google Slides has a handy feature that allows you to do just that. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the presentation where your slides were initially deleted. Head over to your Google Slides file that you believe has lost content. Once you have your presentation open, it's time to delve into the version history. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the File option. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, hover over the version history option and you'll notice another submenu. Click on See Version History, which will bring you to a crucial part of this process. When you click See Version History, a panel will open up on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find an extensive list of saved versions of your presentation. Each version comes with a timestamp, detailing the exact date and time the changes were made, along with the names of anyone who made these changes. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to trace back all alterations made to your presentation over time. Now, what you need to do is carefully browse through these versions. Look for the version that contains the slides you're aiming to recover. Sometimes you might need to look a bit further back in time depending on when you think the slides were deleted. Once you've identified the correct version, you're almost home. Click on the version you've selected on the right. At the top of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Restore this version. Clicking this will revert your entire presentation to that specific state, effectively recovering your deleted slides. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind, if the slide was only recently deleted, you might still have the option to use the undo function. You can achieve this by pressing Ctrl+Z on a PC or CMD+Z on a Mac immediately after deleting. This is a quick fix for those immediate slip-ups. Additionally, if an entire presentation was mistakenly deleted from your Google Drive, don't panic. Google retains deleted items in the trash for up to 30 days, granting you ample time to restore it. Remember, this is a valuable time-saving feature that can save you a lot of stress. And there you have it, a clear path to recovering those crucial slides. By following this guide, you'll be able to retrieve your work with ease, ensuring your presentations remain intact and ready for action. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate Google Slides even more efficiently.